Now, faith is a confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Hebrews chapter 11 verse. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to day 9 of our Vlogmas series 23. Today, we're going to make a very quick and delicious oven baked lamb chops that is going to be so exciting to serve your guests this holiday season. It is so quick and easy to whip and very juicy. Please stay tuned and let's get right into it. So to begin with, let's go through our ingredients. I have my lamb and all my seasoning that I'll be using are here, a little bit of crushed pepper as well, and some olive oil. Now I use the back of the lamb because it is more juicy to me in my opinion, but you can definitely use any part of the lamb that you prefer. So your sis is now going to cut the lamb into smaller chunks. There are two sides though. You can definitely go ahead and bake it in the oven as it is, whole like that, and then decide to cut them once you're done. But I prefer to cut them before baking it. Okay, I needed a bigger knife and it worked very well. I love the portions that I got, and now I give it another good wash and then place them in my bowl, and now go ahead and season it with my seasoning. By the way, all the seasoning that I use will be listed below in the description box. Before the seasoning comes, it is very important to make sure that they are very nice and moist. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle with a bit of olive oil, and now go in with my garlic granules, all-purpose seasoning. I also use Old Bay seasoning. It's very good for this recipe. And I also have my beef seasoning and my crushed pepper, and I went in with 1 beef bouillon. With all the seasoning that I use, I did not even have to add additional salt, but you may go ahead and taste it and add it to your preference. All right, and now it's time to massage it gently and well, so that each and every meat in here grabs or have fair share of all the amazing seasoning that we use. Now to our oven form, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil just so that it does not stick on the bottom. It is not nice at all. And also add a little bit of olive oil on top, and go straight to the oven at 170 degrees for about 45 minutes. They will come out very nice and crispy and very moist in the inside as well. And also I love the color. It is so good. You can all see that beautiful stock that came with it. Do not throw it away, okay? I like to make a very simple and quick gravy to go with this. It is nice and spicy. If you like it, you can definitely go ahead and use it right away, but I love to also add a little bit of cooking cream to it, just so that it tones down the spiciness, because the meat is very nice and spicy. Once you dip it in, it just balances everything, and it's so good. Just cook this for about 2 minutes and your gravy or sauce is done. Plate it, serve it, and just place it on the holiday table. Everybody is going to love it. It is just so juicy, spice and everything nice. It is so good, family. You need to really try this simple recipe for your guests this holiday season, and you're going to absolutely love it. Once you are done plating, garnish it with a little bit of the juices left and sprinkle a little bit of parsley for that beautiful, and just presenting it very nice. It is so delicious, and our gravy is also done. We pair this with some sweet potato stir fry, which is up next, so please do well to stay tuned for it. It is so delicious with this lamb chops. It was so good. We definitely had the time of our lives with this recipe. Thanks for watching, family, and I really hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please do well to give me a thumbs up, share it to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and please do not forget that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.